In this video, I will show you how to calculate the data with the standard deviation. Okay, in here in the Excel, here's a formula. Let's plus select here to equals and to STD. So you will find STDEV. Double click here and just select the data you want here range. Then enter, and you will get a standard deviation. So in this deviation, here is a simple, not really a population. So here deviation STD. Here you will find it's the STDEV point S and point P. Point S means for a simple. So in this video we show select here. So we will find stand here not is equal to stand deviation for simple, and in this one STD for S population. Here population select here, so we got the here. So how we calculate without this formula? So we need to calculate a range, AVERAGE, a range. We need to calculate this range here. So we got this data, and in these columns we need to collect here this B2 minus here this one and plus F4. So what means F4 is to freeze these cells, freeze these cells, and select here or double click, then select these cells and move your mouse to the right down here, right down corners, and double click, then fill down or list. Double click here, you will find it will be these cells minus these cells. So it's always these cells. Here we need to here to square 2. So we calculate this one. So we got the S numbers. So we got totally numbers. In the STDV, so we got here's the number is count here's 6 numbers. Yeah, 6 numbers. So what's the population is here to here we need to this one to here and to here minus 1 here. So we got a numbers. So we got standard deviation here. So it's the deviations we need to minus 1. So how population 1? Population 1 is not to minus 1. So we delete here, entered, then we will get this one. So it's the others method to calculate standard devils with step by step. So whatever you want, you can choose all of them. So the third one is data in data with data analysis. Here, click here. We just wait minutes. Then you will find a description techniques. Here, click OK, and input range. We select this range, and labels in the first rows means data was not a number, really number, is a title, is a header. So work output range, we need to put range here, and the summaries here to check. Then click OK, then you will get a standard numbers arrows. So standard deviation here you got, but this is not anything numbers. No numbers is just it's not formulas, it's just numbers.